Alright, well this is also for Chapter 3 of Lesson 2 of Math Expressions. This is Part 2. This lesson actually teaches the kids how to do area model and expanded form. So the last video, of course, is area. This one is for expanded. So this one you actually set up just like a normal traditional long division problem. So parents at home, setting this up should be very natural for you. So the first place that you want to check is, of course, in your hundreds place. So this time we actually have 893 divided by 6. So what you want to ask yourself is, can 6 go into 800 at least 100 times? And yes, because 6 times 100 equals 600. So you're good. So what you want to do is actually put the 100 on top, and 100 times 6 is 600. So that goes down below. So I'm going to put 600 down below here. Okay, so this is the first step. So basically all I was really looking at was this 8 right here in this 6. So basically, can 6 go into 8? And of course, yes, 6 can go into 8 one time. So it was just because of the hundreds place. So now I move on. Okay, so you subtract, and so we had 893, and if I put 100 into each group of 6, then of course I've used 600 of what I started with. I started with 893. So all I have left is 293. So, I mean, I'm done with my hundreds place. So, I mean, I know that it can't be 100. So I know that I have the tens place next, right? So what I'm asking is, okay, how many tens times the 6 groups can go into 293? So what I'm really looking at is the tens place. So I know that 293 is really 29 tens and 3 ones. So really what I'm looking at is the 29. That's the key here. The 29 is very, 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 very important. So that's really what I'm dividing by. As of right now, I still really don't care about the 3. That will come later. Alright? So check for the tens place. There are 29 tens. So how many times can 6 go into that 29, or really 29 tens, without going over? Yes, 4. Because 6 times 4 equals 24. So what I'm going to actually do is put the 24 tens down below and the 4 tens that I multiplied by on top. So just as a reminder, though, that you got to understand what tens really means. So 4 tens is 40. So I'm actually putting 40 on top. And 24 tens is actually 240. So what I'm actually putting down below is actually 240. So remember that place value is very, very, very important. To remember that when you're doing tens place, you're going to have a 0 at the end. So 293 minus 240. So I just was able to give away 240 more away, which is great. I mean, I'm finally getting down to where I want to be. All right, so this is what it looks like so far. I gave away 100. I gave away 40. So I've taken care of my 100s place. I've taken care of my tens place. And, of course, all I have left is my ones place. And all I have left is what I have on the bottom down here. So once I've subtracted the 240 that I just used, all I have left is 53. Now I'm back to where I've started and where we all started together in lesson 1. And this is basic division. So if I have 53 somethings and I have 6 groups, how many can I put into each group? So divide by the ones to figure that out. So how many times can 6 go into 53 without going over? Now this is a close one. And if you look at your multiplication chart, you'll see that 6 times 8 is 48, which was like, oh man, okay, I think I can maybe get closer. But if you check that 6 times 9, well, 6 times 9 is actually 54. And that is too high. I mean, it's only off by 1, but it is too high. You can't go past 53. So that's out. It's gone. So my answer here is actually 8. So 6 times 8 equals 48. So as you can see here, what I did is that I put that 8 on top again, and I took the 6 times 8, the 48, and I put that down below again, and you subtract again. So I have 53 left. I was able to give away 48, and that left me with 5. So those 5 are left. Man, I'm like, oh, I have 6 groups. I have 5 left. Can't I just give them away? No, that goes against the rules. You can't just give them away. You have to give them away equally, and one person or one group would be left without. So Now the expanded form, you just put together your top. So I had 148, so 148, and then I have that 5 left over. That becomes my remainder. So the answer to this problem is, of course, 148 with a remainder of 5. All right. Well, I hope this helped. The expanded form is very much like the long division that parents, if you guys are watching this video, that you know. You can see it very similar. The only real bit difference here is each place value is separated, and you can see here, instead of just dropping a 6, there's 600, and just filling in that space for the kids so they can see what's going on, and it's really easy for them to drop the numbers. So, this form is actually pretty cool. It works out really nice. So I hope this helps at home, and I hope it helps at school. All right, I'll talk to you later.